Hi everyone, this is Jadu from Property Framework, and today I want to talk about the perception of viewing some markets as very strong capital growth markets and other markets as poor capital growth markets and purely cash flow markets. Now, this perception may be incorrect and may lead you to, incorrectly look at how markets behave. And that's because if you look at Australian property markets, they have long periods of little to no growth or very slow positive growth, and then short to medium periods of really rapid capital growth. If you take examples, between 2004 and 2012, Sydney had very poor growth, but between 2012 and 2022, during that 10-year phase, there were periods with really rapid growth in Sydney. If you take Hobart as another example, between 2008 and 2016, very poor growth, but after 2016, Hobart boomed. And between 2016 and 22, there was really rapid growth in Hobart. Similar with Adelaide, 2010 to 2018, very little growth, but after 2019 to 2022, and even now, Adelaide was rapidly increasing in value. So you can see the same market during one time it performs really well, strong capital growth market. At other times, it's a poor market. There is no capital growth in that market. So it's incorrect to view one market as a capital growth market at all times. It doesn't always behave as a capital growth market. Rather, what should be considered is timing that entry into that market. When you time the entry into the market, then you get good capital growth. So what happens when you time the entry into the market? You get capital growth, but at the same time, you also get good rental growth because house price rises and rental growth are closely related. The rents start rising first, then capital growth follows, and then rents start rising again. So they're closely related. So during this boom phase, you're getting both capital growth and rental growth. So getting both. So you don't have to make a compromise, right? So rather than viewing a market as just purely a capital growth market or a cash flow market, the correct way would be, if I enter this market at this time, would it give me the maximum growth, the maximum capital growth and rental growth that I need? That will give you, a really good investment choice.